Hey guys, welcome to RAP Creative World. Today we are making a desk calendar out of paper. Here I have taken a A4 size paper and I have measured 3 cm from both the sides, and I will fold from both the sides on their lines. Then I will fold it from between. So this is the paper base ready. Now I will take some sheets of cardboard and now I will stick it on the paper like I have shown. We will stick it with the help of Fevicol like this. And then we will take the third cardboard and we will stick it on the base like this with the help of Fevicol. First I will stick it on one side and then I will stick it on the other side. So this is our base ready. Now we will move forward on the next step. Here I have taken a square and then I have marked 3 cm from one side. Then we will fold and from behind I will measure 3 cm from the both sides. And I will fold it. Then we will take Fevicol and we will stick it like I have shown. Stick it properly. So here it is ready. Now we will move on the next step. So I will take a semicircle paper like this. And now we will stick it on the upper part of the base that we have made like that with the help of Fevicol. So this is done. We will move forward to the next step. Here I have made 2 ears from paper. Now we will stick it on the upper side of the head. Let it dry. stick it properly and then let it dry. So here I have made 3 of that, and I have also drawn face on that. 2 are bunny and 1 is unicorn. Now this is our base. We will stick 3 of this on the base with the help of Fevicol. First I will stick light red bunny properly, then I will stick unicorn, and then I will stick dark pink bunny. So here it is done. Let it dry for some time. Ready now. Now I have taken some paper on it. I have written on one set of paper, I have written all the day, other months, and the third set I have divided into 2 parts and cut it from between, and then I have written one set 0, 1, 2, 3 and the other set 0 to 9 number. So I will insert the day in the dark pink bunny, and I will insert the month in light red bunny, and then I will insert the both other set in the unicorn. Done. Now I will insert the other set of day. This is done. Whenever I have to change the date, I will take the card from front and I will insert it at the back. You can use this calendar for so many years if you have not written the year. You can also write the year at the bottom of the unicorn. Please subscribe, like and comment and share. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.